Hello everyone, this is the last video for this week. We are studying transportation in animals and plants. We have already seen transportation in plants. Now we are going to start transportation in human beings. The transport system in human beings is also known as circulatory system. So what is the function of a circulatory system? It helps in providing rapid mass flow of materials from one part of the body to another over distances where diffusion would be too slow. On reaching their destination also, the materials must be able to pass through the walls of the circulatory system into the organs or tissues. Now, how do substances move around the body? The body has its own transport system that carries substances around the body. Now, which are the organs that are involved here? So, the main organs are heart, blood vessels and blood, and these different organs constitute our circulatory system. Which gases are transported to and from the body cells by the blood flowing in the circulatory system? So of course we already know oxygen is the gas needed for respiration and carbon dioxide is the waste that has to be removed from our body. So the two types of blood that always will be circulating in our body will be oxygen rich blood and oxygen poor blood. Oxygen rich blood will be traveling to the body cells, whereas the carbon dioxide rich blood will be traveling away from the body cells. Oxygen rich blood will have high oxygen content, whereas the oxygen poor blood of course will have low oxygen content. Whereas oxygen rich blood will have low carbon dioxide content. On the other hand, high carbon dioxide content will be present in the oxygen poor blood. The arrangement of the circulatory system means that these two types of blood should not mix. So, at the heart of the circulatory system, we have the heart. The heart is the organ at the center of the circulatory system which pumps blood around the body. How are the two types of blood, oxygen rich and oxygen poor, kept apart inside the heart? So, inside of the heart is divided into two sections so that the two types of blood do not mix. So, right side of the heart will always carry oxygen poor blood and the left side of the heart will always carry oxygen rich blood. So, here oxygen poor blood and this will be carrying oxygen rich blood. One more point that we need to remember is that the heart that we draw is always labeled as if it is in a body facing us. So, the right side of the heart is on the left of the diagram as you can see here. Now, how does blood circulate around the body? Blood is pumped around the body by the heart. It takes almost 30 seconds for the blood to go once around our body. Starting with the left side of the heart, what route does the blood follow to complete one circuit of the body? Let us see this. So, the left side of the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood. This blood supplies the body cells with oxygen. What gas does the blood then pick up from the body cells? Of course, we know the gas that will be picked up will be carbon dioxide. So, the blood picks up carbon dioxide from this body cells and then it goes to the right side of the heart which will contain now oxygen poor blood. So, next the right side of the heart pumps this oxygen poor blood to which organ? It will pump it to the lungs. And then this blood will again carry oxygen, that is oxygen rich blood, then again returns to the left side of the heart. This completes the blood's journey around the body. Why is the journey of blood through the circulatory system called a double circulation? So it is known as double circulation because you can see that heart receives blood twice. So such a journey is known as double circulation. Students now will be dealing with the detailed structure of the heart in the next video. This is all for this video. In the next video, we'll be seeing the structure of heart, the valves in the heart, and in detail, the pumping of the blood to different parts. So students, this is all for this video. Thank you so much everyone.